Hello everyone! Let's start drawing with me. Let's start with a bold line. Magic time. Wow, let's put the color. It's really so beautiful and shiny. I love this way. Do not forget to subscribe to get new video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Welcome to my drawing tutorial. Let's learn to draw beautiful pictures together. Fun and easy. Let's start drawing with me.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man.
It's so beautiful drawing.
Make it a bold line.
This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old
Magic time.
man played seven. He played knick-knack, give a dog a bone. Wow!
Let's put the color.
This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
It is so an amazing drawing. If you like this video, don't forget like, subscribe, share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.
On my spot.
Welcome to my drawing tutorial. Let's learn to draw beautiful pictures together. Fun and easy. Let's start drawing with me.
All through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Make it a bold line. Magic time.
Wow!
Let's put the color. It is so an amazing drawing. If you like this video, don't forget like, subscribe, share this video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Welcome to my drawing tutorial. Let's learn to draw beautiful pictures together. Fun and easy. Let's start drawing with me. Make it a bold line. Magic time. Let's put the color.
Blue, purple, blue, green, gold, pink, light, cyan, yellow, red, dark green.
It's really so beautiful and shiny. I love this way. Welcome to my drawing tutorial. Let's learn to draw beautiful pictures together. Fun and easy. Let's start drawing with me. Make it a bold line. Magic time. Let's put the color.
Black, cyan, orange, gray, dark gray, yellow, light red, dark red, red.
After coloring, it looks so beautiful. I really love how it turned out.